Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go. First, download the free app from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, create your account and personalize your avatar. Remember to enable location services. This is crucial for the game to track your real-world movement and show you Pokémon nearby. You'll be ready to explore in no time. To catch Pokémon, simply walk around your neighborhood or local park. Wild Pokémon will appear on your in-game map. Tap on one to start an encounter. When the Pokémon appears, swipe a Pokéball towards it to try and capture it. Aim for the center of the shrinking circle for a better chance at success. As you explore, you'll encounter Pokéstops and gyms. Spin Pokéstops to collect valuable items such as Pokéballs, potions, and eggs. Gyms are where you can battle other trainers' Pokémon. Win battles to take control of a gym and place your own Pokémon there to defend it, earning you daily Poké coins. Evolving your Pokémon makes them stronger and often changes their appearance. You'll need to collect specific amounts of candy and stardust for each evolution. Powering up also increases their combat power, or CP, making them more formidable in battles. Don't forget to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.